Hi everyone. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add text on top of your video with CapCut editor. So drag and drop the video to video track 1, then navigate to the section text. In here you should see a default text box, so drag and drop that over your video. Now adjust the duration of the text, which in this case I'm making as long as my video. And here on the right hand side you can actually change the text, so something like that. Now you can adjust the font size and start playing around with the settings. So let's make it bold. Let's change the text style, something like this. You can change the scale of the text as well. Then you can adjust the opacity, stroke. So in this case it's just the border of the text. You can add the background if you wish. You can add the glow, add some shadows, and you can also adjust the curve of the text. So here in the middle you actually have another section called bubble, so you can literally change the design of your text. You can add something like a label or just like a picture or banner or anything you wish. So just go through these effects and find what you like. And you may also be interested in adding some sort of text effects through the effects section here. So I'm going to remove those effects, just keep the basic effects that I added earlier, and hit play on the video. And that's our text. Thanks for watching.